come up to somebody who's not responding. You want me to wait? You good?
Uh-huh.
All right, here we go. If you want when we find somebody who's not responding, the first thing you need to do is call 911.
Call
Right
911.
away. Don't do anything until you call 911. Then the dispatcher will probably walk you through what you need to do. So that's easy, right? Anybody can do that. If you can't get directions from CPR or from 911 rather, here's the principle. You come back and you say, hey, can you... They're okay. If they're not breathing properly, the new guidelines say you can actually start the pressure. You don't have to do mouth to mouth anymore. You don't have to put your mouth on this person. You don't have to do any of that stuff. All you need to do is if this person's not breathing properly, one hand here, one hand here. That's all you need to worry about. Fast and hard. Push fast, push hard. Yeah, it helps them breathe, believe it or not. We used to think that would hurt their heart. It doesn't. So if they're not breathing, they're not how often and all that stuff. Easy. Here's the song. Go laugh at me. That's it. You can sing that song and you can push. That's the fastest. You guys know the Bee Gees? Yeah, man. Everybody. So, all you gotta do. And I swear to God, the new 2010 guidelines for ILCOR, the new CPR guidelines, that's the song they teach. So you don't have to worry about nothing else.
Go ahead, Malik.
Yeah, they want to hear you sing. Just straight up. You don't have to do mouth to mouth now, but you have to sing. No, I'm kidding.
But it might look difficult because they're shorter than me.
Yeah, normally this person would be on the
For
ground.
me, well,
Yeah.
you see, for me, I can't do it either. You see, I have no body weight.
So, but check this out. Most people would be on the ground or on a couch or bed, right?
On top of the bed.
Now try it again and see how easy it is. And that resistance is the same as this resistance. But the difference is that now it's much easier because you're heavy and you're putting your body weight into it.
You can actually kill a person by doing that.
You cannot. We used to think you could, and now we found out that it's really,
The
really
person
safe.
is higher than you are, and then you would just go on top of the bed,
Yeah.
and then you do the compression.
We've done it many, many times. You ever had to climb up on top of a bed to do CPR? Yep. There you go, guys. 2 minutes of CPR for free. Easy. Anybody can do it.